Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. In this video, we will try to understand the numerical problems in mineral processing. So basically, we will be doing the flotation question in this video. The question was asked by one of the students on Instagram. That's why we are taking this question for this video. Okay. So now we will see that question. So the question is for the following data in laboratory flotation test, the lead recovery is okay. So they have given the flotation test recovery data, and we have to identify that what is the lead recovery from this data. Okay. So for the flotation, flotation is a concentration process, and for concentration we use few of the terms before doing this question. We must understood that terms. So the first term is head. Head is basically the feed. Feed is known as head, which is to be given for the concentrating system. Okay, so this is the feed to a concentrating system. Okay, so the feed that is used in concentration process, that is known as head. Okay, the next thing is concentrate. So the concentrate is basically the valuable minerals after concentration process. Okay, so whatever we get after the concentration process, that is concentrate and tailing. Okay, so concentrate is basically valuable minerals which is separated from the ores. Okay, and the third thing is tailing. Okay, so tailing is basically the waste or discard products. We cannot utilize this in concentration process. So this is basically the product of concentration process, and this also contains few percentage of the metals. Okay, so the next one is middling. So middling is basically the logged particles, logged valuable minerals and gangue. Okay, so we can say this is the logged and liberated terms. These are the terms which is utilized for mineral processing part. Whenever we will do that mineral processing, we will understand those terms. Here I am writing. So this is middling. Middling is also known as logged valuable minerals. Okay, and the fifth term that is used is recovery. Recovery is very important. Recovery is very important term in concentration process, because recovery is basically the percentage of total metal. Okay, metal contained in the ore, contained in the ore that is recovered. Okay, so whatever the ore is recovered in that concentrate, what is the percentage of metal, that is known as recovery. Okay, so recovery, in this question we have to find that recovery. Okay, so for doing this question, what we can do, we should understand the flow chart of this process. So suppose we are doing the concentration process. Okay, so concentration process, after doing concentration process, we get two types of product. The first is concentrate, and the other thing is tailing. Okay, in one of the question I have already told you like that. Okay, so in concentration process, what is the feed is known as head. Okay, so head is in this question they have given head value, that is 2000 grams. Okay, so this is the weight of head, that is feed. And the tailing weight is not given, but in tailing they have given the lead percentage, that is 0.1, and in head also they have given lead percentage, that is 2.1% PV. Okay, so what about the concentrate is about 70 grams, and the percentage of lead in that concentrate is uh, 55.1 percentage of lead. Okay, so this SI means basically this is the test by which we know the percentage of metal or percentage of element that in concentrate. Okay, or in any compound. Okay, so this is the concentration process, and from here what we get concentrate and the tailing. Okay, so these are the terms. So in feed, in head, how much lead is there, we know the total weight of this feed, and we know the percentage of lead in that. Okay, so from here we can calculate the total weight of lead in feed. Okay, so that is 42 grams. Okay, how we can calculate? 2000 is total weight, and in that 2000, 2.1% is lead. So 2.1 by 100, so 42 grams is lead in concentration. Okay, concentrate, that is feed. And in concentrate, what is the weight of concentrate? That is 70 grams. And what is the weight of weight percentage of lead, that is 55.1 and by 100. Okay, so from here what we get, we can get about 38% or 38.57, that is in grams, and this is also in grams. Okay, and rest of the lead will go into the tailing part, that is discard. Okay, so we cannot we are not able to recover those things. Okay, so what we recovered, we recovered only 38.57 grams, and they are asking about lead recovery, and this is in percentage. Okay, so they will specify this is in percentage. So how we can find the lead recovery? So lead, for finding the lead recovery in percentage lead recovery, how we can find? In concentrate, what is the weight? That is 38.57, that is we recovered. This is the weight, and what was the initial weight? That is 42. So this is the general aptitude question. Okay, 38.57 we recovered, and the initial weight was 42, that's why we divided, multiplied by 100. Okay, so from here what we will get? 91.83 percentage. Okay, so this is the correct answer for this question. And for doing this type of questions, whenever in exam you will get this type of question, you should understand the concept. What is the process flow? What is the process flow of this this process? Okay, so for doing this type of questions, you should understand also the meaning of these terms, that is what is head, what is tailing, what is concentrate. So I have told you already, that is head, concentrate, tailing, middlings, and recovery. Okay, so sometimes what we do, they will ask the question in tailing also. Okay, so they may ask that how much lead is wasted in the tailing part. Okay, so from here how we can find that, find in tailing, that we know the concentrate feed weight, that is 2000, and we know the concentrate weight, that is 70 grams. Okay, so we can have idea about this tailing weight, that whatever that will not go in concentrate, that will go into the tailing part. Okay, so there are only two products. If we assume, sometimes if we will not assume, so that will be third, there will be third product, that is middling also. Okay, so in middling, locked valuable minerals or gangue, that is the mixture of locked valuable minerals and gangue, that is further sent to the combination section. Okay, for the crushing and grinding to separate the mineral and gangue. Okay, so for this question, this is 91.83 question, and this is very easy question, and this is most probably in this year they may ask this question in GATE exam. Okay, so so be ready for this type of questions and don't do the silly mistakes. Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have learned something new in this question, and we have taken this question only just for introducing the concept of concentration in front of you. Okay, so if you have any problem in extractive metallurgy problem, you can direct message us on Instagram page. We will consider those questions in upcoming videos. Thank you. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.